App users only. Step-by-step fix guide. 1. Disable NVIDIA App Overlay. Open NVIDIA App GeForce Experience. Go to Settings, In-Game Overlay, turn it off. Some NVIDIA overlays conflict with Battlefield 6's startup process. 2. Delete shader cache, NVIDIA specific. Press Wins-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete all files inside these folders. Then go to You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the files too. Restart your PC. 3. Force run with dedicated GPU. Right-click your desktop, NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings tab. Add Battlefield 6.exe. Set Preferred Graphics Processor, High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Apply changes. 4. Clear Battlefield 6 cache data. Press Win-R, type You can see the code in our conversation history. Find the Battlefield 6 folder, delete it. This only resets local cache, not saves. 5. Update or rollback NVIDIA driver. If the issue started after an update, go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, NVIDIA GPU, Properties, Driver tab, Rollback driver. Otherwise, install the latest game-ready driver from the NVIDIA app. Open NVIDIA App, Drivers, check for updates, install game-ready driver. 6. Disable background GPU apps. Close NVIDIA Broadcast, Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, Discord Overlay, etc. These can conflict with the DirectX initialization. 7. Launch with DX11 Force Mode. Right-click Battlefield 6 shortcut, Properties Target Line, Add. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example, you can see the code in our conversation history. This bypasses unstable DX12 crashes common with NVIDIA app profiles. 8. Verify game files. If using EA App Origin, Library Battlefield 6, Manage Repair, Steam, Library, right-click Battlefield 6, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. If 9, reset NVIDIA app settings. If all else fails, open NVIDIA app, settings, general, restore defaults, log out, log back in, reopen Battlefield 6. 10, run as administrator. Go to game folder, right-click Battlefield 6.exe, properties, compatibility tab, check run this program as administrator. Also check disable full screen optimizations. Extra NVIDIA tip, if Battlefield 6 still doesn't launch, go to C, users your name, documents, Battlefield 6 / settings, open ProfSave profile with Notepad. Find gstrender.dx12 enabled 1, change 2. You can see the code in our conversation history. Save file. Final check, after applying all steps. 1. Restart PC. 2. Launch NVIDIA app first. 3. Then launch Battlefield 6 directly from its install directory, not shortcut or app launcher. Would you like me to make a